Hello people, welcome back. This is Lady B. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing safe. So I was craving for tomato pepper soup and I had it done with tilapia fish. I added my other fruit, crayfish, tomato. I added water. I added pepper soup spices. All the ingredients are inside. So I added some salt. So I would like to be there and it will cook so that the fish can cook. So I was craving it and I had it done. Thank you for always coming. I really do appreciate your love and support. Thank you for the like, the comment. If you have not subscribed to our channel, follow for more amazing videos. So I removed the other fruits. And this is it, guys. Ready. I paired mine with starch. Feel free to pair with anything of your choice. Bye.